You may have heard a lot about Israelis, but how well do you actually know them? Here are a few facts about the Israeli population that you may not have known. The Israeli population is diverse, encompassing many different ethnicities, religions, and lifestyles. About 74% is Jewish and 21% Arab. Within the Jewish population, 62% are secular and less religious, while 38% consider themselves religious. Within the Arab population, most are Muslim, or 83%, while Christians and Druze are about 9% each. Among Muslims, about 16% are Bedouins. But beyond these major groups, you find Buddhists, Baha'i, atheists, and others from all walks of life. 77% of Israelis are Sabras, the nickname given to people born in Israel. The rest, or 23%, were born abroad in countries that vary from Russia to Ethiopia, Argentina, Morocco, and more. About 9% of Israelis live in rural areas and the rest live in cities, with Jerusalem and Tel Aviv leading the way as the largest cities in Israel. The two main languages of Israel are Hebrew and Arabic, but most Israelis also speak English. You're also very likely to hear Russian, Amharic, French, Spanish, and other languages when you're walking around. Some fun facts: over 5% of Israelis are vegan, the largest percentile in the world. And about 5% of Israelis own dogs. Wait a second. Are those the same people? About 8% of the Israeli workforce is employed in the high-tech sector, and women represent over 36% of all high-tech employees in Israel. Last but not least, in the 2018 World Happiness Report, Israelis ranked as the